Hello everyone, and welcome. If you're intrigued or in need of a secret to maximizing your trading experience on Binance, you're in for a treat today. Let's talk about Binance promo codes and how they can supercharge your trading journey. Binance, for those who might not know, is the leading global cryptocurrency exchange for trading and investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a plethora of other digital assets. How can you get the most out of this platform? The answer is simple. Use a Binance promo code. Today, we have a special promo code for you, 291935167. Here's what you stand to gain by using this referral code. First off, new users can enjoy discounts on trading fees. This means every time you make a trade, you're saving money. Over time, these savings can add up, giving you more to invest. But it's not just about saving on fees. When you sign up using this promo code, you might qualify for additional rewards like a welcome bonus or even a share of trading commissions from the users you refer. Imagine earning extra income from your referrals trading activities. Here's how to make the most of this opportunity. Step 1. Sign up using this promo code, 291935167. During registration on Binance, you'll find a spot to enter the referral code. Step 2. Start trading. Enjoy reduced fees and start exploring the vast array of cryptocurrencies available. Step 3. Refer friends and earn together. Refer others. Share 291935167 with friends or family, and both can benefit from the system. Each person you refer will start their journey with savings on fees, and you'll learn from their trading. Binance isn't just a trading platform, it's a community where knowledge sharing, trading strategies, and opportunities thrive. By using this promo code, you're not just entering the world of Binance, you're entering with an advantage. Remember, every little bit helps in the world of crypto trading, and using 291935167 is your first step to leveraging these benefits. So head over to Binance, sign up with the code, and start your journey in the most lucrative and exciting way possible. Together, let's explore, learn, and earn with Binance. Enter code 291935167 at registration. Start trading with immediate savings. Refer friends and grow together. Thank you for watching, and here's to smart and savvy trading with Binance.